Using your Scotiabank debit card online is a convenient way to make purchases and pay bills from the comfort of your own home. To get started, ensure you have a Scotiabank debit card and are registered for online banking. First, you need to know your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is the 16-digit number on the front of your card. The expiration date is the month and year your card expires. And the security code is the 3-digit number on the back of your card. To use your debit card online, begin by going to the website of the merchant you want to make a purchase from. Once you have added the items you want to buy to your shopping cart, proceed to checkout. You will be asked to enter your payment information, including your debit card details. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code in the required fields. Make sure to type the information correctly to avoid any errors. Some websites may also ask for your name and address to verify your identity. Once you have entered your debit card details, review your information to ensure everything is correct. Check that the amount you are being charged is correct and that you have enough money in your account to cover the purchase. After verifying your information, click the Submit button to complete the transaction. You may be asked to verify the transaction through a security prompt, such as a password or a one-time code sent to your phone. It is essential to keep your debit card information safe and secure when shopping online. Only shop on websites that have HTTPS in the address bar and a lock icon, indicating that the site is secure. Also, never share your debit card details with anyone and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to make online purchases. Additionally, make sure to monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. If you notice any unusual activity, contact Scotiabank immediately to report the issue. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely use your Scotiabank debit card online to make purchases and pay bills. Remember to always keep your debit card details confidential and be cautious when shopping online to protect yourself from potential fraud.